Today we'll be unboxing the new Kogan LX16. Now, sadly, this will be replacing LX12 because the LX12 needs a new battery. So, farewell to LX12. Just let's get into this box. Links in the description. Okay. Now box is open. When I'm returning LX12, I'll put it in this box for returning. Here, instructions. Top protection. At least they're trying to protect this. Here it is. Leave it there. Here's the mop. Side brushes. Filter. Extra pad and brush. Hey, there's more extra side brushes.
That's handy.
And side brushes everywhere. I'll see what the base looks like. Oh, it's the same base as the LX12 used to have. Same little light. Yeah, this space station reminds me of the one LX12 had, but with the tray. No tray. Okay. We help this silly guy out. Oh, it just fell off. Whoa. Wow. At least what the heck? This doesn't click. I gotta put the side brushes on. They just snap together. And when you hear a click, it means side brushes have been installed. Whoa. And I think this will also be connected to the app too. Now, let's put it, I think maybe here. And before we get started with the base station, I'm just gonna turn this on and see if it's alive. It's being shipped for days, so I think it might be dead. Or let's see what happens. Power this on. Yeah, I think you might have to hold it. Also, there is no on-off switch, so I think this is the only choice for you. Power this on. It works! Yeah, I can see blue lights on. That's weird. Wait, charging contacts in the bin.
It's different.
Yeah. Oh, there's some up here, so it might be able to charge on the self-empty bin. Ooh. Look at how it talks. we clear some stuff out, and then we're gonna see if it actually works. It works! So goodbye LX12. It's over there, the LX12. And this the LX16. I hope auto empty dock does not calibrate. I hope so. Alright guys, I just got the base station all set up. It will be sitting next to that i7 Plus. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next vacuum video. Bye!